Microsoft Word as an office or web appreciation program or typesetting application have a feature that can enable you design table properly. Because most of your work sometimes will require table. So to design table, on the Start tab, under the table group, click on table icon. Then it will pop up. So you can then manually design your table from column to row. Left to right is where you will determine the number of column as shown in this case. Then you will now use the other side to determine the number of your row. Sometimes this is just a simple table that your work requires. But in the other time, your work might determine an advanced table. Like the one below. To design this type of table, on the Search tab, click on the table icon. Then on the pop-up, other pop-up, the table insert table pop-up, you will click on insert table. Then on the insert table box, you now determine your number of columns and number of rows. E.g., net assume our number of columns is 8. The numbers of rows 14. Fix color wide, meaning where you are typing, it what will determine the size of your table. Then press OK. This is our table with 8 columns and 40 rows. Table have two major properties. The movement property that you can use to move it up and down, as shown here. With this, you can move table from one place to the other in your document. And the reduction increase property that you can use to decrease your table or increase your table, as being shown now. Apart from moving the table up and down and increasing and decreasing the table, the entire table net, there are many other features that one needs to know about table before you can properly work with Microsoft Word table system. All these small dots inside this table are called cells. You can match two or more cells together to become one. To do that, you will align two or more tables together. Then on the layout tab, under the merge group, click on merge cell. You will notice that the group of tables highlighted will become one. They will merge together. You will notice one typing inside table. The typing will be enlarging the column or the cell. That is because the creation of the table, the type of setting that we select. To prevent that, on creating the table itself, under insert table, insert table. After successfully putting your measurement, or the fixed color white, you will either click on autofill or autofill to window, autofill to quartet, or fixed color white. Then press OK. Once again, our table is in display. To merge two or more tables, align the table or the layout tab under the merge group, click on merge. It will merge the selected cells. This particular table now, let's assume you want to type on it. Good. This good. Some picture of a table might require you typing this good either from up to down or from down to up. To do that, on the layout tab under the alignment group, click on direction, or clicking on direction, your typing will be moving from space to space or the selected item. Some of your work might require you cleaning some of the line or some of the entire cell. Example, now imagine the situation that will require not cleaning the top of our table. To do that, on the layout tab under the drawing group, you click on eraser. Then you will use the eraser to clean any or part of a cell that you want to delete, as being shown. If you notice, the upper part of our table was successfully removed. Your work might require you shading or column for part of your table or cells. To do that, after highlighting the particular cell or table, click on Design tab. Then under the shading group or table style group, click on the shading icon. You will notice some color emerge and you can select your desired color. So also, even the lines of the table can be colored from one color to the other. To do that, click on the Design tab after highlighting your table. Then under the border group, click on Pen color and select your desired color. Then use the pen to draw the lines that you want to color to your choosing color. As we show. Just note that on highlighting a particular table, two additional features will pop up. Those features are the Design tab and the Layout tab. All you need to design your table are located under the Design tab and Layout tab that will only available on clicking any or highlighting any table.